Hi guys, welcome to my new video. This video I want to show you how to convert Word to PDF file. Now let's start. This is method 1. Go to file. Go to export. Click on export and click on create PDF document and choose create PDF. File name. Give your file name. Okay. And save as type a PDF. Okay, and click on publish. Okay, completely. Word to PDF. Now go to method 2, save as to PDF. Go to file. Choose save as and click on browse. Use your document name. I type CV2. Okay, and save as type I choose PDF. Dot PDF extension. Like this, and click on save. Complete. Okay, this is method 2. Now go to method 3 for convert Word to PDF. Print to PDF file. Click on print. Printer, choose your Microsoft print to PDF. Click on it. Okay, and click on print bottom. And file name, I type CV3 and save as type as PDF and click on save. Okay, this method will save to document folder. Go to document folder and find here and right click and choose open. Completely and successfully for convert Word to PDF. Thank you for watching this video.